Today, we shall be looking at a powerful tool that is performing magic out there right now. The name of the tool is called Chat GPT. And what is the meaning of Chat GPT? GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. It is a machine learning model that is trained on a large dataset of human language in order to generate natural-sounding text that is similar to human writing. GPT models are called generative because they are able to generate new text based on a given prompt or input. They are also pre-trained because they are trained on a large dataset before being fine-tuned for a specific task, such as translation or text summarization. GPT models use a type of neural network architecture called a transformer, which is efficient at processing sequential data such as text. They are able to understand and generate human language by learning patterns and relationships in the data they are trained on. They have also been used to create chatbots and virtual assistants that are able to hold natural conversations with humans. GPT models are powerful tools for tasks that involve generating or understanding natural language. Some examples of the kinds of tasks that GPT models are particularly well suited for include text generation. GPT models can generate human-like text for a wide range of applications, such as creating chatbot responses, generating social media posts, or writing articles. Machine translation. GPT models can be trained to translate text from one language to another, making it easier for people to communicate and work across language barriers. Text summarization. GPT models can be used to generate short summaries of long documents or articles, making it easier for people to quickly get the main points of a text. Language understanding. GPT models can be trained to understand and classify natural language text, making them useful for tasks such as sentiment analysis or intent classification. Overall, the use of GPT models in chat applications can help to improve the naturalness and effectiveness of communication between humans and machines. They can be used to create chatbots and virtual assistants that are able to hold more natural and engaging conversations. GPT models are called generative. Why? You may want to ask me to throw more light on that now. GPT models are called generative because they are able to generate new text based on a given prompt or input. They are trained on a large dataset of human language and are able to understand and generate text by learning patterns and relationships in the data. Generative models are able to produce new, original output based on the information they have learned from their training data. This is in contrast to discriminative models, which are only able to classify or predict outcomes based on pre-existing data. For example, a generative model might be trained on a dataset of news articles and then be able to generate a new, original article based on a given prompt. A discriminative model, on the other hand, would only be able to classify a given article as belonging to a particular category, such as politics or sports, based on its contents. GPT models are particularly useful for tasks that involve generating natural language text, such as creating chatbot responses or generating social media posts. They are able to produce human-like text that is similar to the language used by humans in the dataset they were trained. You might want to know how you can make money with Chat GPT. Let me give you the simple ways out of the many ways you can crush it with Chat GPT. Outline for me how I can make money with this powerful AI tool Chat GPT. There are several ways you can potentially make money using the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, language model. Developing chatbots or virtual assistants. You could create chatbots or virtual assistants using GPT that provide valuable services to businesses or individuals. These could include customer service chatbots for websites or virtual assistants for personal tasks such as scheduling and reminder management. You could charge businesses or individuals for access to these services. Providing language-related services. You could use GPT to offer language-related services such as machine translation, text summarization, or language understanding. These services could be provided to businesses or individuals who need help with tasks such as translating documents or understanding customer sentiment. Developing content creation tools. You could create tools that use GPT to generate content such as articles, social media posts, or product descriptions. These tools could be sold to businesses or individuals who need help creating engaging and high-quality content. Offering training or consulting services. If you have expertise in using GPT and other language models, you could offer training or consulting services to businesses or individuals who want to learn more about these tools and how to use them effectively. Overall, the potential ways to make money with GPT and other language models are varied and depend on your skills and interests. It may be helpful to research the needs of businesses and individuals in your area and think about how you could use GPT to meet those needs. I guess your next question would be, Does ChatGPT have any downside? Like any technology, GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, has some limitations and potential downsides that should be considered. Here are a few examples. Quality of the generated text. While GPT is able to generate human-like text that is often difficult to distinguish from text written by a human, it is not always perfect. GPT may make mistakes or produce text that is not of the same quality as text written by a human. 7 simple ways you can make money with ChatGPT. They are as follows. Text generation. You can use GPT to generate text that is similar to a given input. For example, you might provide a prompt like write a short story about a robot that goes on a journey and GPT will generate a story based on that prompt. Language translation. You can use GPT to translate text from one language to another. Text summarization. You can use GPT to summarize long pieces of text into shorter summaries. Text completion. You can use GPT to complete sentences or paragraphs that are partially written. Chatbot development. You can use GPT to build chatbots that can have conversations with users. Text classification. You can use GPT to classify text into different categories based on its content. Sentiment analysis. You can use GPT to analyze the sentiment of text and determine whether it is positive, negative, or neutral. To use GPT, you will need to have a working knowledge of machine learning and natural language processing, NLP. You will also need access to a GPT model and a tool to interact with it, such as a programming library or a command line interface. Here are some additional ways that you can use GPT to make money online. Content creation. You can use GPT to generate unique content for websites, blogs, social media posts, and other online platforms. This can be especially useful for businesses and individuals who need a large volume of high-quality content on a regular basis. Translation services. If you are proficient in multiple languages, you can use GPT to translate text from one language to another and offer translation services to clients. Social media management. You can use GPT to help manage social media accounts for businesses by generating engaging posts and responses to customer inquiries. E-commerce product descriptions. You can use GPT to generate product descriptions for online stores, saving time and effort for business owners. Data annotation. You can use GPT to annotate large datasets for machine learning projects, which is a common task in the field of artificial intelligence. Virtual assistants. You can use GPT to build a chatbot that provides assistance to customers or users, such as answering frequently asked questions or providing recommendations. To use GPT for these purposes, you will need to have a solid understanding of how the model works and how to customize it to suit your specific needs. You may also need to invest in additional tools and resources, such as a platform for hosting your chatbot or a service for managing social media accounts. There are several websites where you may be able to secure a job using ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or similar language processing technologies. Some options could include freelance websites. There are many freelance websites that allow you to bid on and apply for jobs related to language processing and natural language understanding. Some popular options include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Job search websites. You can also use job search websites such as Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor to search for jobs related to ChatGPT or natural language processing. These websites often have a wide variety of job listings, including full-time, part-time, and contract positions. Company websites. Many companies have their own career websites where they post job openings. If you are interested in working for a specific company, you can visit their website and look for job listings related to ChatGPT or natural language processing. Professional organizations and job boards. There are also professional organizations and job boards that specialize in jobs related to specific fields or industries. For example, the Association for Computational Linguistics, ACL, has a job board that lists job openings in the field of computational linguistics, which includes natural language processing and ChatGPT. It's important to note that the availability of jobs related to ChatGPT or natural language processing may vary depending on your location and the current job market. It may be helpful to conduct a thorough search and consider applying for a wide range of positions, in order to increase your chances of securing a job in this field. Hello, valued subscriber. Turn on the notification bell, so that when we upload a new video it will get to you first. May God bless you as you do so. Thanks. Kindly subscribe friends to encourage us. Please don't forget to like our videos, our YouTube channel. Please help us share the video, as much as possible, assist our growth please and please. Bravo, bravo.